In recent years, the importance of prostate health has garnered increasing attention, especially among men seeking to maintain vitality and well-being as they age. Thousands of men across various age groups have reported significant improvements in their prostate health, urinary flow, sexual vitality, and overall quality of sleep, all attributed to a remarkable blend of prostate-boosting nutrients found in ProstaVive. This innovative formula offers a holistic approach to prostate care, emphasizing not only the health of the prostate itself but also the interconnectedness of overall bodily functions. ProstaVive distinguishes itself from other prostate health solutions by focusing on enhancing blood circulation specifically within the prostate region. A pivotal study conducted by Fukushima Medical University in Japan in 2023 highlighted the role of healthy blood flow in metabolizing cells around the prostate, thereby supporting its function and size. This research underscores the importance of maintaining robust circulation, which can lead to improved urine flow and bladder health. When the prostate is functioning optimally, it contributes positively to various aspects of a man's life, including sleep quality, self-confidence, and interpersonal relationships. The formula of ProstaVive is designed to be both powerful and effective, requiring only a single glass per day to reap its myriad benefits. The all-natural ingredients not only support prostate health but also enhance blood flow, ensuring that men can enjoy a stronger urine flow, restful sleep, and an active love life. The inclusion of nitric oxide in the formula plays a crucial role, as it relaxes blood vessels and promotes the delivery of nutrient-rich blood to the prostate, thereby fostering long-term health and vitality.